In continuation of my effort to build LEGO gyroscope to prove that gyroscope's persistence to maintain its orientation, I wanted to build a platform which could swing and tilt in any direction. Platform is built using 4 actuators controlled by EV3 program. Let me know if you want me to make a detailed video on the programs under EV3 Classroom. Initially, I built the platform using 2 motors and worm gears, but it couldn't support the weight, hence I used 4 actuators. I used LEGO Light Flesh Brick 16x16x 1.3 with holes 65803, which I bought from LEGO PAB online. I love the way it allows me to extend and shrink the base without having to worry about the requirements of base area. I even thought of building this using only 2 motors and the 4 actuators below the platform to reduce the required area, but it was too complicated to maintain. Because 2 binary digits can give 4 possibilities, which means using 2 directions of 2 motors to simulate inclination of the platform in 4 directions. Probably that would have been more efficient and less power hunger. Maybe some other time? Do comment if you want me to build that way. Here, the platform is just swinging in 2 directions, just like a ship in the sea. Here is swing in all 4 directions. And now, some program sample. You may pause it to read in details. I did it using iPad for mobility, but I can recreate it and share it on Git if someone asks for it.